What's the meaning of Bakewell tart? Bakewell tart. Bakewell tart.
Bakewell tart. Bakewell tart. Bakewell tart is a traditional English dessert that originated in the town of Bakewell, located in the county of Derbyshire. It consists of a short crust pastry base filled with a layer of raspberry jam and an almond-flavored frangipane mixture, which is a sweet filling made from ground almonds, sugar, eggs, and butter. The top of the tart is usually decorated with sliced almonds, and it is baked until golden brown. The tart has a sweet, nutty flavor and a moist texture that make it a popular treat in the United Kingdom and beyond. It can be served either warm or cold, often accompanied by a dollop of whipped cream or custard.